Deep in the heart of a mystical forest, where the trees whispered secrets and the wind played a gentle tune, there stood an enchanted treehouse. It was a place of wonder, where magic came alive and every day was an adventure. Inside the treehouse lived three curious friends: Lily, a brave little girl with a heart full of dreams; Max, a clever young boy with a love for books and maps; and Sparkle, a tiny, glowing fairy who loved to make magic. With a sprinkle of fairy dust and a wave of magic, the treehouse started to rise. Up it went, through the clouds and into the sky. The friends were on their way to the magical land of Everdream, where anything was possible. As the treehouse gently landed in Everdream, the friends stepped out into a world of wonder. The trees here were made of candy, the rivers flowed with sweet nectar, and the flowers sang beautiful songs. As they ventured deeper into the forest, they met the guardian of the treehouse, a wise old owl named Oliver. He watched over the treehouse and the land of Everdream, ensuring that all who visited respected its magic. Oliver led them to a clearing where their first magical challenge awaited. A beautiful rainbow bridge appeared before them, but it was guarded by a playful trickster named Jinx, a mischievous little fox. The friends thought hard and worked together to solve Jinx's riddle. With teamwork and a little bit of magic, they succeeded, and the rainbow bridge allowed them to cross. Finally, they reached the heart of Everdream, a magical glade where the Tree of Wishes stood. It was said that whoever touched the tree with a pure heart could make one wish, and it would come true. With a wish made from the heart, the tree glowed brighter than ever. Everdream was safe, and the friends knew that they could always return to the Enchanted Treehouse for more adventures. As the sun set in Everdream, the friends returned to their Enchanted Treehouse, knowing that this was just the beginning of their magical journey. The treehouse, with its magic and wonder, would always be there, ready for the next adventure.